I became interested in the coast and the sea, basically because of family connections. We're surrounded by the sea. My grandfather was a schooner captain, and my mother's family were all to do with the sea, and my father's family were all to do with farming. So I had a bit of an identity crisis. So that's how it started. But my hobbies, my interests, initially living in Cregneash with about 20 houses, was fishing and sport. And it began that way. And gradually, when I got to about 11, we moved down to Fistard, close to Perwick, and I had a small boat down there, and I was lucky enough that one of my father's friends, a fellow called John Gawne, lived close, and we called him Old John Gawne. He was about 20 years younger than I am now, and he'd been sailing on the Nickies, the old Manx fishing vessels, about 50, 55 foot long. He was a wealth of stories, and he was a wealth of information. He had a little boat down Perwick called the Bonnie Lass, which is in the Nautical Museum. I got a little boat down there, and I guess he introduced me to all sorts of things that would have taken me years to find out. The tides, the wind direction, the changes in the weather, and gradually that's where it all started. It was a really fascinating time going around the crab holes, putting out herring nets, trammels, and various other nets like that. And eventually I built a smokehouse where I could do 426 kippers, and that was sort of quite fascinating. So that was the beginning of it.